Hello everyone, welcome to Offbeet Life. We would love it if you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and give us some likes there. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 pillars of health. Now before I get into them, what I want you to do is think about a house, a building, a home, and how it relies so much on a strong foundation. With that strong foundation, you can build anything on it, right? And that home is able to withstand external forces, storms, you name it. So I want you to think of your health in the same way and how important it is to have a strong foundation for your health. And that leads us into the 5 pillars which make up that foundation. So the first pillar is an active lifestyle. This can mean a variety of things for a variety of different people. What it basically means essentially is being active, doing vigorous activity. This can be something as simple as walking, gardening, or running, biking, swimming, playing sports, going to the gym, lifting weights, working out on machines, doing yoga. It's endless. It really depends on you as an individual and what you enjoy and what works for your body. But the most important thing is doing something, if possible every day, but at least every other day. And also along with that, the more vigorous it is, the more you push yourself, the better the benefits you'll gain from it, right? The next pillar is healthy eating habits. Now, in a few weeks, I'll be doing another video and diving into this a lot deeper, but for now, we're going to keep it simple and give you some good actionable pieces of advice. Now, myself and my wife, we're both plant-based. We really believe in eating that way. So we think it's really important to include as much plant-based food in your diet as possible. Along with that, you want to eat as much whole foods as possible. Avoid foods that are really junky and processed. And also we like to refer to is eating the rainbow. What that basically means is incorporating as many foods with different colors as possible, because each color essentially represents different nutrients, whether it's minerals, vitamins, and all the things that you need to ensure a proper, well-balanced diet. The next pillar is sleep. Now, what sleep refers to is 2 things, quantity and quality. The first thing is quantity. You want to try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. This will really help recharge you and to perform to the best of your ability, whether it's physically, mentally, in the classroom, at work, playing sport, doing your physical activities, whatever it may be. So it's really important to get that proper amount of sleep. And this is typically 7 to 8 hours for most people. For myself, it's 8 hours, and after that, I feel amazing and able to tackle all things the day has to present, from morning till night. The second part is the quality of sleep. What the quality of sleep basically is referring to is trying to ensure that you get the best sleep possible. And what you want to do to ensure that is follow proper sleep hygiene. That includes things like dimming the lights before you go to sleep, putting away electronic devices at least a half an hour, if not an hour before, not exercising or eating too late in the day, and just doing things that are relaxing and to help you wind down slowly and not excite you before you sleep. The next pillar is reducing stress. Now, stress is one of the leading underlying causes of disease and illness in the world. Most people don't think about it like that. So the things we want you to focus on is, number 1, finding and identifying stresses and dealing with them, coming up with a plan to address each stress. After that, you want to come out with plans for outlets to deal with stress. So outlets includes things such as exercise, journaling, reading, music, meditation, yoga. The list is endless. It really depends on you as an individual. So finding an outlet or healthy outlets is really important. The final pillar of health is time in nature. Now that can mean a variety of things, but we're going to focus on 2 main points here. The first one being getting outside and getting some sun. Now we live in Canada, which can be very cold obviously for most of the year, and getting outside can be difficult at times, but it's important to try to do your best, if not to get outside, to get some sun from indoors still. The sun is the best way to get vitamin D, and that's really important for our development and our overall health. The second part of time in nature is going outside and getting fresh air. being inside and just cooped up all day and breathing in the same stale air is not good for us. And studies have shown getting outside, being in nature, getting fresh air is a great way to reduce your stress levels and cortisol levels and help to improve your overall health, especially mental health. So that brings to a conclusion the 5 pillars of health. I hope that this has been helpful to you and you're able to incorporate this into your life. It's not about trying to be perfect in any one of these areas. It's about just trying to incorporate each area slowly and just improve them one by one, right? Improve that foundation, and as it gets stronger, so will you feel better. I can promise you that for sure. So on that note, we're going to end this. So again, we'd love it if you would subscribe and follow us and give us a like on this video, and we hope to see you next time. Stay safe, be well, and take care. Bye-bye.